We suck.
All right. All right, guys. I've been working on this pinball machine. Can you tell what I've done to it?
You asking us?
Yeah. Can you tell? What was I doing to it this week?
You took the back plate off, clean it, maybe do some refurbishments on it.
Oh, it's over there on the floor, like the.
Oh.
You're talking about that one right there, sir.
Yep, he did something like that.
The back glass. Yep.
I'd say maybe update the. What's this part called?
The play field.
The play field.
What do you think?
I think it looked great.
I mean, what do you think I updated?
Oh, I'm gonna say. Just like cosmetically on top, or internally?
Well, what do you think I've worked on?
He's gonna be like nothing. I'm just kidding.
That's all
I'm gonna say replace some of the bumpers, lights. Your bumper ring.
What do you think, Alex?
I think you took the port off.
These look too white. They look brand new.
So you think those are new?
Yeah, I think they're brand new.
Anything else jump out at you?
Did you do something with these?
No, these look original. I'd say maybe replace these
little white
toggles.
star thing? No, I didn't do that.
No?
No.
Just took the glass off, that's all you did?
What
do you think, Alex? What are
I'm looking pretty hard, but like I gotta see the before and after before I can say anything like that.
So I've been making the point to people that, good enough is the enemy of perfection. Have you ever heard that phrase?
Yes.
So I repainted this whole playfield.
God dang!
That was my second guess.
Like,
this whole thing?
Yeah, like see the brush strokes and stuff?
No, I don't actually. You did a great job.
So
That's
like all
crazy.
of this was missing.
Also, pretty much where you see the different
where
textures,
the texture is different,
missing.
that's because the paint was gone.
Oh my! So would you like look up references? And
Yeah,
stuff?
just look at a picture of it and
crap, dude.
repainted it.
Yeah,
So you can tell because the
job.
text isn't quite right.
Yeah.
No, but it's still good. I mean, like you have a good color match with your colors. Holy moly, Ron!
All right, well, cool.
It's insane.
That proves my point. I've been telling people you don't have to make it perfect. Most people can't even tell.
That's great.
Like, I literally thought
When the ball's flying over and hitting the bumpers, you're never gonna look at them.
Exactly.
All right.